Let us see some of the O&M focus areas. Solar PV power plant has several components and each of the subsystems requires different O&M skill sets. A few of the subsystems and their O&M requirements are mentioned in the upcoming slides. The O&M cost depends upon location, system type, and the components involved. Under location, there are three factors to be considered: area of the plant, access control, restricted hours of operations. For system type, we have to consider whether it's a roof mounted or ground mounted, then it is a fixed or tracking models. It also depends upon what type of components used: number of modules, number of combiners, number of inventors or type of inventors, number of transformers, warranty coverage of the system, which is invariably 25 years. All these costs depend upon the environmental condition that is prevailing in that area, which are snow prone, types of pollution, bird population, sand, dust area, humid area or hot area, high wind area or high hail area, salty area, diesel soot, industrial emission near any construction area. Inspections of PV modules are done twice a year. We need to address the shading issues if we have not given consigns right in the beginning of the project design by taking the surroundings into consideration. We need to remove if there is any greenery that grows and causes the shadow. We need to take care that the modules are at minimum height, that is to be 600 mm above the ground. Then, inspect the mounting structure if there are any: loose connections or fasteners on structure, corrosion of the components. If anything happened accordingly, the corrective action should be taken. Then, to adjust the array tilt if it is to be adjusted for the season tilt. Check the inverter and charge controller for their correct settings. Inspect the battery enclosure whether the terminals are corroded. If so, it is to be cleaned and greased. Look at the density of electrolyte and accordingly take corrective action. Inspect all the electrical equipment components for its performance. Monitor the system for its voltage and current or its performance. Here is the example of PV O&M maintenance chart. Solar PV O&M depends on the system size. If it is a smaller system, on-site inspections, operational indicators and procedures have to be taken care of. The responsibility of the off-taker is to contact the provider if there is a problem. Inspection of fleets on a sample rather than every system. Performance guarantees consider insignificant corrections that can be deferred. Consider degradation rates specific to module type. For larger systems, emphasize automated monitoring, analytics, and remote reset. Push reports to stakeholder. Report loss of production in daily and weekly basis. The monitoring system should be transparent, auditable, maintainable, backup, and secured. To check on-site or remote sensing of environmental conditions, irradiance, temperature for large systems.